Chevy Impala no start diagnosis. It has fuel pump is working, it's getting spark, but the compression is low across the board. I'm gonna do a compression test here in a second, but I'm getting about 50 to 75 psi maybe on each cylinder, and they should be over 100 on all of them and fairly even. So let's do a compression test. So generally they'd like to see 150 psi. That one's at barely right at 50. So there's something major going on inside this engine. Likely cause would be timing chain issues, but for some reason it's not recording any errors in the ECM.